Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel all subscriptions on your Cash App card. This is a quick and simple process. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Cash App. Once in, head to the top right corner and click on the profile icon. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the profile page and select Support. After that, you'll see a prompt that says, "How can we help?" Scroll down to the bottom again and choose the chat option. This will allow you to connect with Cash App support. Now, when you chat with the customer service representative, explain the issue you're facing. Since you're unable to cancel all of your subscriptions directly through the Cash App, tell them, "Can you please assist me in canceling all of my subscriptions on my Cash App card because I'm unable to do it within the app?" At this point, the representative will be able to help you cancel all subscriptions linked to your Cash App card, as there is no option to do it yourself within the app. The only way to resolve this is by speaking with a customer support representative. That's how you can cancel all subscriptions on your Cash App card. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.